There you go. Here's my lovebird. She doesn't really like her shorter tail, so she's just trying to help herself, cutting a piece of paper, shredding it out just like a real shredder. I'm trying to make her long tail. As you can see, some papers are really long, just like our regular parrots. There you go, another one coming up. She's tucking into her tail. That's good. It looks good though, but not a green tail, but white tail. Alright, keep doing. Let me see your face. Oh, by the way, her name is BB, and she loves shredding papers. There you go. As you can see, she's looking good with a longer tail. She got another paper, tucking into her tail. That's done perfectly. As you can see, tail is pretty long now. Alright. One more. Yeah, one more coming up. Nicely cut, shredded, and there you go.